Everyone in Nigeria is paying 200,000 naira more than they need on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy 99.9% new iPhone directly from China. The same iPhone being sold at Computer Village at inflated prices. By the end of this video, you know exactly how to do this yourself. If you are new here, my name is Daniel and I live in China. And for the past 3 months, I've been sourcing phones, laptop, and gadgets directly from China here and shipping them to Nigeria. I'm not repeating what I read online. I'm showing you what I do every single week. First of all, let us clear up confusion. When people say 99.9% new, it means that the phone has been used minimally, sometimes for testing and display only, then professionally inspected, cleaned, and restored to original condition. It is not the same as random UK used phone with unknown history. The difference is inspection and verification, and that's the whole game. So, to get your iPhone from China, there are a few steps you need to take. Step 1, you need a trusted source. This is where most people get scammed. Random Alibaba sellers, random Facebook ads, random agents who disappear after payment. These are the traps. What you want is either 1, a verified supplier with years of experience on platforms like 1688 or Alibaba with real results and real reviews, or 2, someone physically on ground in China who can inspect before shipping. And that's the gap I feel for Nigerians through Import to Daniel. Step 2, verification. Before any phone leaves China, it needs to pass through these checks. Battery checks. The battery should be 85% or higher. Screen. No scratches, no dead pixels. Original display screen. Face ID and biometrics. These two must work perfectly. IMEI check confirms it's not blacklisted or stolen. Full function test, cameras, speakers, charging ports, everything. This is exactly what I do for every unit before I ship, and I record video proofs so that you will see it before it ships. Step 3, understanding pricing. A 99.9% new iPhone 14 Pro Max costs less in China than it costs in Nigeria because you are buying it without the multiple layers of middleman. On my website, which is importwithdaniel.com, every listing shows the exact price. No middleman charges, no hidden fees. Shipping is calculated separately based on weight or units, and I state it upfront. Step 4, shipping. Once payment is confirmed, your phone is shipped by air, arriving in Nigeria in 5 to 7 days. I handle the shipping and custom clearing, so you don't have to go through all this stress. You simply receive your package, fully cleared and ready to use. Now, here is how to place your order directly from me on importwithdaniel.com.
So guys, I'm right here on my screen, and the first thing you want to do is to go to your Chrome browser. Now, you can use any browser of your choice, but for this video, I'm going to use Chrome. So you're going to search for importwithdaniel.com. So once you click on this, it's going to take you to this website, right? So what you're going to do is to scroll down, check out the website. You can read through the website, check out the features and everything. So this is a pop-up. You can go through this. Now you are going to see where you can purchase your phones. Right now, these are tested, trusted, and qualified, right? So you'll be able to purchase your phone from this platform. Now what you can do is to check out the phone you are looking for. I want to search for Samsung S21, or let's say an iPhone 12. So I can search for an iPhone 12 over here. So you can see I'm going to get the phones that I need on the search bar. So I can just search for the phone and I get the phone that I'm looking for. So you can go down, check the products, and scroll through. You can click on next and check out the products that are on the store. So once you find what you're looking for, you just click on the products to take you to the product page. So you can pick your specifications, like your, so you can pick your space and the color of the phone that you want. Now for this video I'm going to go for, let's say, 256 gig black iPhone 11. Click on add to cart. So I'm going to click on view carts, and then I'll be taken to carts, right? So what I'm going to do now is to click on checkout over here. So I'm going to fill my information over here. So as you can see, I filled in my correct phone number and my name, my email address, right? So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on make payments. Okay, so to make payments, we are going to select transfer over here. So once we select transfer, we will be given an account number to make the payment to. Now note that this payment is powered by Paystack and your payments are safe and secure.
So that is exactly how I buy a 99.9% new iPhone from China in 2026. Either by doing it yourself through 1688 or Alibaba, or let me handle it by buying directly from importwithdaniel.com. The link is in the description of this video and also in the comment section. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We post videos every week showing real prices, real markets, and real results. So I'll see you in the next video.